Silver dropped sharp and closed the week at 32.40 levels here. While it is a good bullish month for silver, it is closed in green. We have seen the month hitting the lows at 30 while the highs at 34.90. The record levels which we had seen in the last 12 years. $35 were seen in year 2012, and since then we have seen it trading bearish and now posted a recovery. Can we expect more rise in the month of November from silver? Can we expect it to deliver the third bullish candle, taking it till towards $36 levels? Or the highs are done and we can expect a retracement and a crash from here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week and the month of November? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a monthly review and a weekly review. I do share my daily updates and targets for silver, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. With the help of detailed analysis on multiple time frames, we arrive at the levels which appear or which are logical for you to take a trade and trade profitably. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels. Do watch till the end. First, let's have a look at the movement of silver for last few years. You will find these were the highs at $49, which it has achieved in 2011. Since then, we have seen silver trading bearish. Then a spike has appeared. Then it has traded bearish, and then this is the second spike. So yes, it is still trading in this bullish zone. It is far below from the highs which it is seen at 49. Second thing here is, if you notice, look at the $35 levels here. Very good resistance, and these were greater resistance in the year 2012 as well. So this appears a good resistance zone from where or at which it can consolidate here for months before reversing. What has happened here can replicate here as well. Next thing to note here is, we have seen a good rise here, then the retracement, and then the second round of rise has started here. And if you connect the dots, you will find silver trading in this channel. Where are the lows of this channel? Towards 30, 25, 28 zone. First, it needs to break below 30, 28, and then towards 25. If these two levels are taken, then only we can say that silver has turned bearish for the near term, or for the it has reversed completely. Now 25 from the highs at 35 is almost a 30% correction here. Already some of it is already covered. We have seen it closing already at 32.5. Now coming to the nearest movement here, see these three candles, then the retracement. Now this is only two candles which it has delivered. Third candle is possible, which can be a bullish one, hitting higher highs. Where are the highs here? Towards 36. Next thing is, look at the bullishness here. The body size is getting smaller, suggestive of the bullishness getting diminished here. Now, what is the possible alternatives? As long as silver respects $31 levels in the month of November, we should not be expecting it to drop more. It can bounce back if it stays or consolidates at around 31. It can bounce. First of all, 31 is possible, achievable. Second, once it trades below 31, chances will be high that we may see it hitting 30. And if it trades below 30, consider that as a sign of reversal, where the next few months might remain a bearish, or we can say in the next few weeks or months, we can see slight bearish move and a consolidation in silver prices in between 25 to 35 level. Broader range, but yes, anything and everything is possible here. Now, when you look at the indicator, see on the indicators part, it has stayed outside Bollinger Bands for months, traded bullish. The bands have expanded, and if you notice, the expansion is too big, and then the divergence of the price from the 20 period is also greater. Now, if you notice, whenever silver diverges, it tries to converge. Again, a divergence, the possibility of a convergence exists here. And if it starts to retrace from the current level, as I said, till $30 levels, we have to be cautious. Then the next support is at 28.80, $29 levels. And if this is taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction for the near term. But when we talk about the month of November, we have to specifically be cautious of $30 levels, which are going to remain prime support. If you look at the stochastic on the monthly charts, it has still got room for a further rise. This also suggests that there could be a third bullish candle which can be expected here. And the same is with MACD, which is looking vertically up. Now see why there could be a consolidation. Look at the movement here. It was bearish here, it is converged here, then continued with the bearish bias for long. Now here also you can see a slight convergence here, then couple of bullish candles. Now it could start to converge for 2-3 months before looking upwards or starting to rise. So silver, I will say the bearish prospects are there, and it is not that it cannot drop, but yes, I will say there is lot much of up move which is still remaining here in silver. Specifically when I compare to gold, I think silver is still lagged a bit, and then we can still expect it to rise more. However, for next 2 to 3 months we have to be cautious, specifically till it respects $25 levels on the downside. We should not be treating silver as bearish. And remember, this is silver and you can see bigger movements here. RSI hitting the top here. Coming to the weekly charts. Now likewise on the weekly charts, every high is followed with a retracement. Bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. And if you notice the last two candles, this could be one of the reversal candles. It is closed at the bottom, and I expect that the possibly coming week might begin on a bearish note. And once it trades below 32 and 3180 levels, chances will be high that we may see a movement towards 31 3050 levels. Now notice this, connect the dots here, you will find higher lows, higher highs. This is a nice flag formation. This is a bullish flag formation, and this is why also I say till at least 31 is respected in the coming week and in the month of November, we have to be cautious. We should not be treating this as bearish. And once it draws below 31, we can expect a move towards 30, 40, 30, 50 first, and then $30 levels, below which you can expect a massive correction here. Till then, we should expect a little retracement. This could be the possibility of a beginning of reversal, and we can expect another bearish candle here in the coming week. Moving averages are still divergent and bullish. Stochastic was overbought, trying to cool down. It can keep dropping here, keep looking downwards. Means fewer more bearish candles from here. Look at the MACD on the weekly charts. See, this is the main trend retracement. It is again crossed over, but right now it is trying to converge crossover for sell. Though it is not that silver cannot hit further highs. Look at what has happened post COVID. We have seen it hitting the extreme high levels, and if you look at the movement here, rise, retracement, rise, and still it has lot much of room on the upside, but a possible retracement right now it appears to be the case. It is trying to converge. I will wait for a crossover. If it crosses over in the next few weeks, we can say it has resumed the bearish leg here, where we can expect a reversal. Right now I will say there is still room for further rise. RSI near to top. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, I have been sharing this rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. I shared this in my daily updates, and I have mentioned, look at the formation here. Where are the lows here towards 32? And now in the coming week, if you see silver trading below 32 and 3180, we can say that we are looking forward to more bearishness. As long as 32 and 3180 is respected in the coming week, we should not be treating this as bearish, below which you can expect more bearishness towards 31, 40, 50, 30 dollar levels as the next targets. 31 also is a good support, but I will expect largely $30 levels, 30, 40 levels, which might get achieved very soon. Moving averages have started to converge, which are trading with divergence so far. Now it is starting to look downwards. That suggests that there could be a convergence and a crossover very soon. Stochastic has hit an oversold zone, while the MACD, if you look at the MACD here, first, second, third attempt, it has hit the highs and now crossed over. See two red candles here, which suggest that there is a possibility of a stronger down move from here. First move, retracement, a crossover here can lead to a complete crash, which is already crossed over. It is looking downwards, just two candles away, and this indicates that in the coming week, yes, we don't not only have the US elections which are going to be the driving factors, but there are going to be other factors in the month of November, specifically the jobs data which is already released. That is also going to be one driving factor, and this jobs data may also have an impact on the rate cut from Fed in the month of November. So this is going to be a driving factor besides the geopolitical situations and the economic conditions in China. So yes, right now it is looking downwards, and once it stays below 32 or 3180, we can look forward to a greater down move here. It has crossed over on the daily chart, suggestive of more bearishness in the coming week at least. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4-hour charts, if you, now on the 4-hour chart, this is a bearish cross happening after a long while here, of almost after a month. And if you connect the dots here, you can find out it is trading in this bearish channel, Once it drops, again and again I'm highlighting the fact, once it drops below 32, we can look forward to a greater correction here. 31.80, 31.40 and $31 levels I will be looking at, and then 30.40, 30.50 levels might get achieved. The stochastic has hit an oversold zone, MACD bearish, RSI at bottom. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. You can buy here at, see, largely there are greater resistances now available on the upside. 32.60 you can buy. Expect 32.85, 33.10, and then 33.25. Till here, it is going to get maximum resistance. Beyond this, we can expect 33.60, and if it breaks 33.60, chances of 34 will increase. Beyond 34 is where the bulls are waiting. You can expect a reversal towards 34.50, 34.80, and then 35.20. Beyond this, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to $36 levels in the month of November. For the coming week, I think it is going to be a bit difficult for it to reverse completely, but yes, a little swings cannot be denied. If you see it getting support on the downside towards 32, 31.80 zone, we can expect a recovery here. Below 32 and 31.80, I think the chances of reversal will diminish. Below this, now today, coming week, selling entries at around 32.20 levels, expected to move towards 32, 31.75, 31.50, 31.40. Now this zone is the most critical one. This is anyways is critical. Below 31.40.50, we are looking forward to 31, and if it drops below this, expect 33, 30.55 or 30.50 zone. Below 30.50, stay short for 30 very soon. This is completely applicable for the month of November and for the coming week as well. These levels holds good, and thus as long as it stays above 30, we should not be treating we should not say that it cannot reverse. If you see a sharper drop, remember the correction could also be going to remain a very stronger one. And thus I will say specifically, the coming week might remain bearish. However, a recovery cannot be denied from the midweek, from the mid of November or from the third week onwards. Largely saying silver has still got some up room, but I will say this month is going to be the decisive one. There is a possibility that it can deliver a third bullish candle in succession where it can in fact hit 35 or $36 levels. However, the caution zone is towards next week. The lows it shows next week is going to be important. Any break below 30 is a clear sign of bearishness. It is not going to reverse beyond $30 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the daily updates which I share for silver. Thus, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a month of November. Thank you.